In the last video, I talked about the importance of knowing your audience when you're writing. Now, let's talk about a strong purpose. If you're reading a textbook, you know that the purpose is to relay information to you. Facts, figures, statistics, anything that can help you learn more about a specific topic. Other readings may be intended to make you laugh, or to frighten you, or even make you cry. What if you read a story about, say, a beautiful sunset, and the writer described all the colors, the way the water reflected the light, how peaceful it was? You might think, well, that was nice, but what did it mean? Because you couldn't see the story's purpose. Well, it's no different for your own writing. No matter how well written your essay is, if the reader gets to the end and asks, what was the point? Then you didn't develop a good purpose. When you write an academic essay, your purpose is to present a strong thesis that you support. Perhaps your purpose may be to define something. You could be writing to define the causes of the current recession, or to define a culture you belong to. Your purpose may be to take two ideas or readings and compare their similarities as well as contrast their differences, and then perhaps make a judgment or recommendation based on the comparison and contrast. Still, other essays will be written to present an idea you feel strongly about. You may write to persuade your audience about a topic, or you may argue an issue. Many students write wonderful essays in which they narrate a story about a place, event, or person who has had an impact on their life. Whatever your choice, before writing your essay, you must know what the purpose is. The purpose of your essay should answer a very important question. So what? Why should I, the reader, spend time reading a story about your great-aunt Miriam? Knowing your purpose as well as the answer to so what will help you develop your thesis. If your purpose is to narrate a story about your Aunt Miriam because she was the greatest influence in your life, your thesis may be, if it weren't for my Aunt Miriam, I would be in prison today instead of school. Ah, now you've got my attention. I expect to hear a narrative about this special woman because you have a clear purpose and thesis. There's a couple of reasons to really know your purpose before starting your essay. First, it helps you decide how to organize your ideas, what to include and what to leave out. Second, if you know you want to talk about Aunt Miriam, but you don't know why, you know you need to do some more brainstorming and thinking to get to the so what of your piece. And third, a strong purpose leads to a strong thesis, which we will cover later. A strong thesis, in turn, helps you stay focused as you write your paper. If you have the thesis in front of you, it's much easier to look at each and every paragraph and ask yourself, does this prove my thesis? All because you know your purpose.